Good morning, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to it, my name is Xander and I make car videos. Today we have a car show going on. It's like a little cruising. I gotta wash the car up and then we'll be ready to go for that. Well, we were going to a cruise-in, but then it's like 95 freaking degrees out right now and it's miserable. Now we're just gonna go and get something to drink because it's too hot. We'll see where today takes us. I don't know how much car content it'll be, but it'll be something I haven't done in a while. We officially made it to a friendly neighborhood McDonald's. What do you want, by the way?
You know, I don't really know.
Yeah, it's important.
I can't see.
Let me help you?
I don't know. Don't have it yet.
Might need a minute.
2 hours later.
Can I get a medium mocha? Okay?
Medium mocha with one.
Yes.
Thank you. I was struggling to figure out what to make this video about, aside from, well, since that car show was like a complete flop. So I think what I'm going to do is just film me preparing for the trip. Or preparing the car for the trip, I should say. Because I still have quite a bit to do. Today's kind of been uneventful, but I still need to replace the cabin air filter for this trip I'm going on, or about vacation, which is coming up. But not everybody really knows how to do it, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. But you have 2 screws, one here, you pop them up, and then this comes off.
I picture everything you're fighting for.
As you guys can see, I don't think this one's ever really been changed. It's kind of gross. I'll show you the new one so you can see the difference between 2 of them. This is the old one. That's the new one. It's in pretty rough shape. Alright, so if you guys ever wanted to know how to do it, now you know, and you can do it yourself, right? Save yourself a little bit of money. It's nothing too complicated. Hopefully it was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. I got a big trip coming up and I am excited to do it. It might not all be car content, but I must see what happens. So see you in the next one, and please drop a like if you enjoyed it and hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 500. Let's keep it going.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
I have hit 2 cows, 1 deer, multiple rabbits, a raccoon or 2. I did hit a cat, and I haven't hit any people yet. So.